Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We need to use about integration by substitution. I will put about x equals to u to the power of 30 because if I put this one gone here, and here, they can simplify the root. And the next one, we can do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So I will put this one gone here, and here. The x that is about this one. So we know that this one we can put u to the power of 30 divided by number 5. This one u to the power of 30 divided by number 3. And the last one, so this one we have number 6, number 10, and number 15. So we can do about factorization by u to the power of 10. (29) plus number 6, that is about 35. So we simplify. So I will put number 30 go outside. Next, I need to add about u to the power of 20. Later that we need to minus about u to the power of 20. Then we need to put u to the power of 15 and so on in here. Now we can do about factorization by this one. And so on in here. So this one divided by this one, and this one divided by this one. So we have like this. And now we have the formula in here. So from this one, that is about u to the power of 21 over 21. So I will put number 20 gone here. So 20 plus number 1, that is about 21. The next one, that is about number 16 over number 16, and so on in here. Number 1, that is about u. About this one, this is so difficult to do this integration, so I will show you another video about this one. So the answer of this integration, and this is the answer from this one in here, including the negative side. So about u, that is about this one. So we put the root of number 30 for the both side, and we got like this. So I will put this one to change for you, and you got the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.